Alright, Jimmy, I'm gonna get you this time. 1, 2, 3. Fuck you. Alright, which one of you gonna get it today, huh? Ooh, looks like I'm gonna get you, Craig.
Not today, Barry.
You lucky bastard. Alright, who's it gonna be next, huh? Oh, Barry, fuck you, George. That's right. Get out of the way.
Jesus.
God damn it, Timmy, you said it was right here.
I swear, Bobby, I put it right here.
Well, how about you try telling that to Marcus when we're 6 feet under?
Hey there, Jerry.
Barry, fuck you. Take another one. Next time you'll get the shipments right.